Yo! Welcome back. I've got something special today. It's this best Isuzu Dmax D. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it is absolutely impressive. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. It makes your daily routine much more enjoyable. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch, they are selling out fast. Check the link in the description, and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone.